Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Reddit on your PC. It's a very simple process that anyone can do by following the simple steps and watching the video until the end. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your Microsoft Store application on your PC or laptop. Once it is launched, tap on the search bar in the top and simply search for Reddit. Click on the official app of Reddit over here and then tap on Get, which is highlighted in blue color. Wait for the installment. And once it has been installed on your device, you can launch it and start using it by signing into your account. If you do not want to use the app version, you can open your web browser on your computer, then go to reddit.com and start using the Reddit's web version. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.